Oh, yes. I've never caught one of these before. Look at my drag. Oh my God. He's so big. What is up, MFers? Welcome to an early morning video. I got Cole, saw the camera guy. We're following Cole's cousin Tanner and his friend Brock, and we're going out to do some fishing on the boat today. We're going to a massive dam that has even more massive fish bigger than the dam, Cole. That's how big of fish are in this river. I just destroyed a bird. Sorry, Mr. Bird. Speaking of that, MF for the day is right down there below. If you guys want to be the MF for the day, have your comment featured right there. Just be a subscriber, drop some comments down below, let us know what type of video content you guys want to see. But this should be a good time today. There's some really large mysterious fish that I'm hoping to catch that I've never caught here before, so we'll see how that goes. There's also a bunch of walleye, smallmouth, there's everything in this river, so I'm freaking jacked. Let's go stick some. Well, here we are. We made it up to the dam. This is supposed to be the dam dreams are made of. I've never even been up here before. Had a massive flood up here a couple years ago though, and pretty much consistently giant fish we've heard. I don't know if you guys remember them. If you watched the video yesterday, you know who it is, but we got Tanner and Brock right here up doing some fishing with us today. They're just local hammer guys, and that's why we jumped on the boat with them. Never met them until this morning.
Yep, there's fish along over there.
Oh.
Broke me off.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know what that was, but it was ginormous.
It
It
started
about took the whole rod out of my hand.
Just broke you off that fast? Holy shit. There we go. Got something large. Oh, nope, I got f***ing Timmy. God. You good, man? Me too. Got one. I got something big. I got him on the way up, so. Oh, yes. I've never caught one of these before. Look at my drag. I thought you guys said there was current up here. He's up on the other side of the dam, I think. Cole was talking to me because he's been up here before. He was talking to me about his methods for fishing up here. And it was just ripping is all he was telling me to do. And so that's what I'm doing with my blade bait. And I hooked Moby Dick. We might need another net. I don't know if one's gonna be enough. I mean, there's about a 2% chance. Oh, we got an actual fish that bit. Yep, it's big, I don't know. Oh God, doubled up on Gigantosaurus.
You can't have a paddle. It ate it.
I'm just gonna chill. My guy's up there in the f***ing...
I gotta see what it is. Uh-oh.
Double bowed.
This on swim bait.
Yeah, yours ate it. Chances you got him with a single hook are not as good as me randomly reeling up.
Smallmouth.
A smallie. I think that's what I got too. Got about 20-pound smallie state record here.
This fight was hard. Oh, it's a good one.
Got him under the chin is why. Definitely.
Get over here, guy.
Oops. Is that how you catch them fish?
Yep.
Ooh, that's a good hook there.
Saw a little fish.
Not too bad. First one to start the day.
Got me up there and I can't move him. He's just leaning on that current. Do they get tired ever?
It takes a while.
That's okay. You guys just fish.
You might get tired before.
Yeah, seriously. Oh, 3 species within minutes. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I got yet, but it's about a 30-pound smallmouth.
You want to throw another rod out while you're waiting?
Yeah, you want to put this in a holder for me? Glad I got this fresh Spillway and Vizex on there. Jesus, she's gonna be stretched now. This is the 7.2 MFer cranking rod. Moderate. Oh, there he is. He's on the surface. Yeah, if you could just jump in with it and hug it, we'll bring both of you on here. This could be interesting when he gets up here. There he is. Oh, it's in his mouth almost, kinda.
Pretty goddamn close.
It's a whale. And in the current, right in his mouth, just caught the current. Did you guys see what that was? Not a very big one. Making me its bitch though. Oh God, an actual fish. Kind of.
Small one. Oh,
Look at my guy. He's just like, ah, I'm dead. I'm in the current.
saw guy. Chilling over there.
Yeah, I can't even move him.
I think he's worn out.
Yeah, he's gonna die. Swim this way, bud. Now I just want my blade bait back. If you let him go that way far enough, he'll get in the other current. We just need to get him.
Got another one.
That's an improvement. Is that on the blade? What is that? Drum? Snag drum? It's a halibut, I think. Is that a salmon? It's a drum.
Right in the butt. Right in the butthole.
I'm getting in. Dude, that's in the butthole. Come to the dam, you catch all sorts of weird shit. Yeah. Something. I'm about to just break his ass off.
No.
Here we go. He's going around. We got to get him when he comes back in the circle this time. He's so far away. If anyone's curious how the MFer 7.2 rod flexes, it's about like this. Unbelievable. Flippity flop, what has he got?
Oh,
Butthole walleye.
that might be.
Butthole walleye.
I don't think he's a keeper either. Short, 14-incher.
He's actually swimming again.
That is insane.
Dude, that drag's locked pretty tight too. Just way out there. Go over there. Go over there. There you go, bud. Nope. Put his sail the wrong direction. I'm not gonna get him in.
Yes, you will.
So far over there.
You're good.
Dude, he keeps getting behind the current. He's not even fighting. I just can't move him against the current. It's that strong.
Mm-hmm.
If I can get him up, I might be able to peeing.
Right.
But I don't think I can do it without his mouth catching all that water. I don't care how you do it. Just
Brock's got another one.
grab the gaff, guys. Look at that one. You gotta throw bottom bounce to the big Brock. There it is. Thank God. And I got the blade bait back.
Did you really?
I did. Beauty hooks he got on there. He finally came unsnagged. So that was paddlefish, for those wondering, which there is a season for snagging, which Cole, of course, doesn't miss ever in his life. But this is not the season. You have to have a tag, so even if we would have caught it, they're supposed to be good eating. I'd love to eat one, but we couldn't have kept it. They've got about 16 fish whilst waiting, so I'm going to try to catch one now. Not a paddlefish. I have an actual fish that bit. It's really small though. Walleye on the wall. Aye.
That's a keeper. Yeah.
In the mouth, you bet. That was just not much to pull on after the one dude I just freaking hooked. Good God. Well, they gotta be 15. Oh yeah, he gets there. Meaty guy. Doubles. It's got to be a better one, right?
Drum.
Freaking drums. I'm about to get freaking hooks in me. I'm scared. Hooks slash fish. I'll take fish over hooks. Come here, bud. I'm just gonna fish for a while, I think. Let him calm down. How? How do I grab him, Dad? Silly wallhead. Not a big one. Nice upside down specimen.
Meat in the cooler.
Meat. How do I do this? Nope.
Put power on. And live well. Starboard. Or no, that's port.
Close.
God dang.
14 and a half.
Yeah. We're dialed. Just had to get the sun on them for the blade bait to pick up.
14 and a half.
Oh,
Moon
whitefish?
What in the world? Skip jack. Skip moon.
Ben,
Skippy.
tell the MFers what that thing is.
Well, that's a broke-jawed North Atlantic skipping jack.
Cool. Gotcha. Crazy.
What did we do there? I think that one ate it. We're gonna find out here when he makes his first run, his initial descent. Might have something good. Maybe. Maybe a drum. Butthole walleye. Heads up. There's a few down there. Buddy's pretty dialed over there. Really good at drifting his boat and waiting for bites. Uh-oh, we did it again. Got ourselves another paddler. What if it's actually a 14-pound walleye? He ain't fighting that yet. We're about to find out. We might want to freaking get him when he comes up this time. Yeah, that ain't a walleye. Goodbye. Double paddles. I think I might just be purely snagged. Yep, I am. I got it. He's over against the wall. giant. Yeah, what do you want me to do something?
I don't know what to do.
At least get to where he's on the right side of the boat until he's not. All right, I'm going back spotlight. That's gonna be bad. At least you got him out here. It's not in the swirly current. Holler if you need something.
Hold on for dear life.
It's a wicked pisser. God, going out to sea.
What would it do? Come off?
Come at you.
Oh my God.
Oh no, he ain't off. He got a ways.
Ah, yes.
That came off. He wasn't far away. Didn't even see him.
Oh, that's a relief.
Ben, you don't even have to Photoshop this thumbnail. They are right there.
What are you guys doing?
It gets hectic up in here when the fish are biting.
I bet. Oh, I don't know. It felt like he ate it though. Going out to sea. Oh!
Did you see that?
That was a paddlefish.
Like, put out in the water that paddlefish. Looked like a shark.
Did you see how big that was? Do you have that on camera, Cole?
Dead battery.
Oh my! He broke me.
Do that.
Jesus, I thought he bit it. Is it okay if I have another blade bait, Brock? Do you think the reflective tape helps a lot?
I do, at times.
And then you always epoxy sparkle the heads, I noticed too.
Yeah.
Nice to get one paddlefish to hold the
Well, do you want to go back up
Good luck
there?
with that.
No,
I don't care.
Totally up to you guys.
we have one walleye.
Surprised we haven't got that going down.
There's your paddler. No, that's a snag. No, that's a fish.
Really?
Okay. Okay.
He's gonna jump again. He's gonna jump
yeah.
again. At least we got him out here away from the current a little bit. Might take 3 hours, but we might be able to get him in if he's snagged well enough. Oh! It's a marlin! Oh! That was neat. That's so much bigger than the one I fought forever.
Dude, that is giant.
He's gonna be in the boat in a second. Maybe. Shouldn't speak too soon. Costa Rica flashbacks. I can't believe he jumped like that. That shit was crazy. Should we chase him down?
Should I chase him?
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to, especially now that he's down current. He'll probably fucking run up the chute as soon as we get down there. We should have got one of those $300 catfish nets that were at the swap meet, Cole.
No kidding. Dude, that is a big.
Yeah, that was a large fish. I thought I was snagged. I was like pulling on it, trying to whip my rod out. I didn't think I was to the bottom though. Someone did catch the world record this week. Woo, there she is. Holy f***ing moly.
No. I told you it's bigger than 4 foot.
Tanner, you get it? Yeah. Oh my god, dude.
I don't know if I'll be able to lift him up though.
Don't be a bitch, Tanner.
It's a 6 footer.
Dude, I don't know if he's tired yet. Oh my god. He's so big. Oh, how big is that thing?
Some bitch is 70 pounds easy.
Oh God. Yeah, we probably don't want him on the carpet, do we? Slimy bastard.
Oh, grab your rod. Holy shit.
Oh my God. He's alive again.
That was all I wanted to bring him out of the water.
That thing's so big. That's
No.
the biggest fish I've ever like hooked.
Yeah.
Not that it really counts as a fish, but
I think Ben,
Ben,
needs to
your
grab
turn to
him
grab him this time?
dude, fuck me. I'm so lucky I didn't lose my rod right there.
Oh, I know.
I'm glad I had some slack in it. Yep. Timmy, you can stop swimming now, please.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Don't go under. Maybe if I chop its head with the trolling motor, it'll be easier to land.
Just laying under the boat.
Yeah, he's trying to mate with it. He's the same size. That is a freak. You think that's 70 pounds? I've never probably seen a fish that big in person before. Buddy. God, I can't believe he's hooked that one. He's like, I remember that. Dude, how did you get a good enough grip on him to pull him out?
Both hands on both sides.
Ah! Ah! Oh my God, he's so big.
Get that out real quick.
Myers. Thank you, sir. Oh my God.
He's in there.
Yeah. Oh, none of that. Or at least get the hooks out first.
And the rod
out of
away.
here.
Yeah. Better not do this for too long.
Literally the biggest fish I've ever had in a boat. I didn't catch him, I snagged him. These things don't really eat baits. I can barely lift this thing. Big old paddlefish. I don't know how big it is. Like, what do you estimate, Tanner? You've seen more of these than me.
Well, I'd say probably around 70 to 90 pounds, somewhere in that general area.
Prehistoric. It's gonna make a lot of steaks for us, guys. Oh, dude, he's so big and heavy. Oh my God. Never caught anything like this before. This is crazy. I don't know how we're gonna do like a proper release. Brock, sorry about your carpet. Bye, bud. There she goes, swam away. That wasn't even a catch, but it was so cool. Use my Cole methods. All right, real quick, in between break, we're about to head back out to go do some more fishing. So check in for the next video. We're gonna do some river fishing right now and try to get on some toothy, mean bastards. That video will probably be up tomorrow, but just caught the biggest fish of my entire damn life. Sort of caught it. It was snagged, cold it anyways. But the thing, I don't know how big it was. Maybe it was tough to tell on film. I think you probably got a pretty good guess of how big, but pulling that thing on the boat was a freaking chore. Had a blast though. Thanks for taking us out today, guys.
Yep.
Do it again soon.
Pleasure.
These guys
Awesome.
are river hammers, so we'll definitely be up doing more stuff with them. But if you like this video, please go give it a thumbs up and comment down below what kind of fishing you want to see next. Catch you guys soon. I'm out of here.